Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Addison Rae, so let's get started. To draw Addison, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So it's not going to be too wide because I'm having her having her hair frame her face. So her eyes are going to be really close to the edge. Okay, so I have the two lines in for the face in, so then I'm going to come to the bottom and just connect it. Always the most delicate part. I have to slow down. Okay, so it's something like that, just a basic bottom of a U. Then from there, we're going to come right next to the edge. And I'm going to draw a circle. So same thing on the other side. Okay, so then from there I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So thank you cuties for all the requests to draw Addison here, and thank you for all the love you gave me for my Charlie D'Amelio drawing. Sorry, I butchered her name. And so you guys highly requested Addison too after I drew Charlie. So let me know in the comments below if there's any other big TikTok stars you want me to help you draw as well. Okay, so we have the eyes, and so I'm going to come right to the edge right here and draw a big curve for a lash, just an indication of a lash. So same thing over here. Curve it out and bring it in. From there, let's draw her smile. So I'm going to come about right in this area, just draw a sweet smile for Addison, and cap it off. And then her brows, so right above her eye, say about right here. And they're pretty long and prominent, so just a slight angle and thicken them up. And same thing over here. So I'm not ending it yet because I need to bring this up more. So her face right here, just going to bring in a curve to finish it up. So then now I can go ahead and finish it. So I'm just going to go ahead and shade this in. You can see a little bit better. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and finish her face. So I'm going to come to the center right here, say about, just imagining an oval. So right about here, I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start with a curve that comes down to connect to finish off the face. And same thing over here. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw more of her hair. So everything parts in the center. So I'm going to start with one soft curve first. And another one just the same on the other side. And then right again, we're going to go up a little bit higher for a more prominent strand of hair on both sides. And then since we're here, just about in this area, draw the top of her hair where it parts. So then let's bring this, well, let's bring this strand first. We're gonna bring it down close to her face, and same thing over here. Okay, so then I'm going to draw the top now, and it's going to be really close to that strand because her hair is not poofy at the top, so we're going to make it more tapered at the top right here. Just straight hair. Okay, so before I finish the rest of her hair, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right to the center, give her a neck. Right in the center, right there. And I'm going to curve it down for her shoulders. From there, I'm going to find where her armpits would be. So say about right here and here. Just give myself 2 points. And from those 2 points, I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. And then let's draw the neckline first. So I'm giving her a little tank top. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for a tank top. And we're going to bring this in, connect it right here. And I'm going to pop this out a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. So our tank top is not long at all. It's cut off. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off with a curve. And then we're going to bring down another level. So this is her tummy area. Let's bring it right in here. And then I'm going to connect it at the bottom, and I'm giving her a pair of sweatpants because it seems like she's always wearing sweatpants, right, when she's dancing. So I thought that would be pretty cool for her to draw for her. Or you can give her jeans, it's all up to you. And then right here, I'm going to give her a little band for the sweatpants because I was looking at her merch and she does have this pair of red sweatpants. So I figure I'll draw that. Okay, so we have the band in. So then I'm going to come down, well, let's come over here first to this side. So on this side, I'm not going to go down that much lower because I have her hands on her hips. So using this as my guide, I'm going to come down about right here. Since they're sweatpants, we're going to come down a little bit lower, about right there. I'll draw a slight angle line, and from there in the center, I'm going to bring out 2 angle lines. So this is the beginning of her legs. So I can bring this down a little bit more because her hands are going to be in this area. Okay, so then now let's draw the hands. Since we know where this part is, we know the hands are going to be around here. So once again, going back to where her armpits are, let's start to bring a curve down. And continue. So this hand is pretty simple, just to her side. So I'm going to bring it all the way down, like I said, in this area. And, you know, I'm going to have it come in a tiny bit. And then draw her thumb. And so let's continue this. Slightly in, and then about right here where her thumb is, you're going to angle it out and just bring it in. Okay, so then from there, this other hand, same thing where the armpits are, about right there, and we're going to angle it. So let's see, about right there. So we're going to angle it in, but right here we're going to bend it and bring it down to the hip. So then right here, just her hands coming out. And let's finish this side and bring it in. Okay, so then right here is finish the fingers. Little wobble and in. So it's a very simplified way to draw the hands. And then you have two little lines right here, indication of fingers. So then let's continue this out and finish the pants. Okay, there. There, I'm going to angle a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, let's finish the sweatpants. So they're a little bit baggy, so right here. Let's work on this side first. So right here, I'm going to come out. And about right there, I'll start to poof it out a little bit at the end. Just a little bit. And then right at the bottom right here, connect it with a wobble, a little cuff. Now you can come in here with some crease lines for the sweats. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So same thing, but right here, round it in. And come right there and connect with a wobble. And the cuff. Okay, so then now I'm going to have her barefoot. So right here, come out with a curve, round it in. This part's going to be slightly straighter. And connect. And then right here, little toe, two little curves. So same thing, a little bit straighter over here. Come out. And so the big toe, and then wobble a little bit. Yep, I wobble too much. Okay, there. Okay, for feet in. From there, we can finally finish off her gorgeous hair. So right here, I'm going to finish this strand, bring it down, give it a slight curl, and connect it. On one side, so same thing over here. And let's finish off her hair. So do a little curve, come out, just give it some movement. So about right there, I'm going to curve it out a little bit and just tuck it right back in. And so same thing over here. So let's come out here, give it a little wave, go right there. And just bring it in. Okay, there, all done with her hair. Her gorgeous hair. Parting lines and some lines here if you like for some detail. And some details on her sweatpants. So right here in the bottom. In the center, you can add a slight straight line, maybe indication of the pockets. if you like. And oh, of course, I'm going to add a heart right here to make her my Addison Rae from Draw So Cute. And if you like, you can give her a little belly button right there. Make it a little bit bigger. See it? Okay, and on her sweatpants, if you like, just like her merch, she has the word Addison right here, so you can do that too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now, if you like. So I'm just gonna bubble in her name. Hopefully, I can get this in. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Addison turned out, and I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.